काही वर्षापूर्वी माझ्या जीवनातला कठीण निर्णय मी घेतला. 15 एकर जमीन असून सुद्धा मला रोजगारासाठी मुंबईला जावं लागलं. कमी पावसामुळे जमीन पिकत नव्हती म्हणून मला शहरामध्ये जावं लागलं. 50 रुपये रोज मिळत होता, पण इथल्या शेतीपेक्षा ते नक्कीच चांगलं वाटत होतं.
Yadav Dada Thange's story could easily be the story of millions of farmers in India. In a country where more than half the population engages in agriculture for a livelihood, every drop of rain becomes a precious lifeline for each farmer. Even though India is blessed with ample rainfall, a majority of its population lives with the nightmare of acute water scarcity. This water crisis is born out of mismanagement, inefficient planning and wastage. In addition, relentless pollution and non-renewable mining of groundwater are rapidly threatening the existing supply of water. With the onslaught of climate change, India's water crisis presents an even more frightening picture. However, while the rest of the country was finding ways to battle nature's wrath, one village in Maharashtra was reaping a bumper harvest.
मी 1965 साली मुंबईला गेलो. तिथे 35 वर्षे सर्व्हिस केली. मला असं ऐकायला मिळालं की हिवरे बाजारमध्ये पाणलोट शास्त्राचा कार्यक्रम अगदी व्यवस्थित झालेला आहे आणि भरपूर पाणी मिळते. म्हणून मी नोकरी सोडून सनी हिवरे बाजारमध्ये आपल्या गावी आलो. आल्याच्या नंतर इथं माझी जुनी बावडी होती. त्या बावडीला मी विहीर होती, विहिरीला खोदलं तर मला पाणी चांगली पाणी साथ दिली, भरपूर पाणी मिळालं. आणि ते सगळं हे जे काम केलं हे सगळं संघटितपणामुळे झालेलं आहे. याच्यामुळे हे कुठल्याही चमत्कारापेक्षा काही कमी नाही.
Nestled in the Sahyadri range of Maharashtra's Ahmednagar district, the village of Hivde Bazar lies in a rain shadow area. While the Konkan region on the west of the Sahyadris enjoys a bounty of 4,000 millimeters of annual rainfall, Hivde Bazar, lying on the east, receives a scanty average of about 400 millimeters annually, making it one of the driest and most drought-prone regions in the country. However, such persistent failure of monsoons and chronic droughts did not break this village's back. Instead, Hivde Bazar is today an oasis in the middle of the desert.
कम्युनिटी इन्वॉल्वमेंट पानी में काफ़ी जरूरी है कि भाई हमारे गांव में ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स क्यों है. इतनी कम बारिश है, माइग्रेशन है, या कोई रुकता नहीं है, गांव के हालात खराब है. तो हालात में सुधार लानी है. तो लोगों ने कहा अरे पानी नहीं है करके ये प्रॉब्लम है, अगर पानी आ जाएगा तो प्रॉब्लम खत्म हो गए. तो मैंने उनको ये कहा कि पानी तो आ जाएगा, लेकिन बारिश का जो पानी है बस वही पानी अगर वाटर शेड करेंगे तो पानी आ जाएगा.
The year 1989 marked the beginning of Hivde Bazar's reversal of fortunes. The villagers unanimously elected Popat Rao Pawar as the village head and believed in his vision of change. Pawar convinced every villager of the importance of managing their own water.
एक जमाना था कि बस रेनफीड क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न था. बारिश हो गई क्रॉप मिलता था, बारिश खत्म हो गई पानी खत्म होता था. और आज हालत ऐसी है कि समर सीजन का चौथा क्रॉप अब गांव में लोग लेते हैं.
The soil in Hivde Bazar is shallow and suffers from low fertility. Realizing that the answer to their problems also lay in this very soil, the villagers designed a watershed program with rainwater harvesting at its heart. A watershed is a series of traditional water structures that help in trapping and storing rainwater. The villagers adopted a top-down approach to their watershed management. They started by constructing contour trenches in the upper reaches of the hills that surround the village. Contour trenches are ditches dug all along the hillside in such a way that they run perpendicular to the flow of rainwater. The soil excavated from the ditches is used as a fertile ground to plant saplings. When it rains, the water flows into these trenches and seeps into the soil, while also nourishing the saplings. Gradually, the roots of the trees trap rainwater, check surface runoff, and prevent soil erosion. This in turn replenishes the water table and revives the wells in the village. In the middle reaches of the watershed, earthen bunds have been built to collect the rainwater as it flows down from the upper reaches. These small bunds are made by compacting black soil because this particular soil type prevents water from flowing through it. Simultaneously, such bunds also allow water to percolate directly into the soil. Excess water then flows to the lower reaches through a channel built alongside the bund. In the lower reaches, farms have been leveled to build compartment bunds, which ensure that rainwater gets trapped in the farms and seeps directly into the soil. A series of other structures that work on the same principle of soil and water conservation have also been built all along the village. Gully plugs and loose boulders in the upper reaches arrest the velocity of water and prevent soil erosion. Percolation tanks and cement bunds help in collecting water from upstream during rainfall. This water percolates into the soil during the lean months, thereby increasing the groundwater table. With more water available for irrigation, the harsh landscape layered with basalt rocks has transformed into hues of green. Popat Rao Borkers is one of the 40 families who reverse migrated to Hivre after the phenomenal success of its watershed program. The traditional water practices brought water to his wells and moisture to his soil.
पहिले आमच्याकडे पाणी नव्हतं तर आमच्यापाशी काहीच नव्हतं आणि आता आमच्याकडे पाणी तर आमच्याकडे सगळं आता काही सगळं आहे आमच्याकडे.
Like most villagers in Hivre Bazar, Borkar also did not want the increased water availability to be wasted needlessly. He decided to switch from the traditional flood irrigation to drip irrigation.
ड्रिप का इतना फायदा है कि पानी कम लगता है, श्रम भी कम लगता है, उत्पन्न उतना बढ़ाता है और जमीन की सुबीक भी अच्छी होती है और पैदावार भी अच्छी निकलती है उसकी. पहले की हालत तो बहुत कम थी, पानी कम मिलता था तो उसी हिसाब से गांव वाले क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न लिया जाता था, जवार बाजरा, जिसके पास पानी है उसके पास गेहूँ. लेकिन वाटर ऑडिट शुरू होने के बाद में गांव वालों ने हर महीने में यहाँ पर वाटर ऑडिट, ओपन वेल से वाटर ऑडिट किया जाता है, जो लेवल लिया जाता है, तो उसी हिसाब से यहाँ पर क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न लिया जाता है और उसमें 250 या 300 मिलीमीटर बारिश गिर गया तो ओनियन, पोटैटो, वेजिटेबल वो लिया जाता है. तो उसी हिसाब से यहाँ पर ग्राम सभा में डिसीजन लेके ये निर्णय लिया जो कि बारिश होने के बाद में